So this is a tip number 1, and I am going to write Dad down here. And then on the rest of it, I'm going to do the little lines. So I'll do a longer line and then a couple short ones. All the way down the tape. Oops. Little bit of chocolate. Some on the board, some up in the tool chest. Kind of lean some up, maybe. Against what? I don't know. Some over on the side. Some falling out. And probably just a couple over here, and that'll do it. We're not going to use all of these. And there we go. Voila! Super cool tool chest for Dad.